Hey everyone, Kaikane Smith here. Greetings from Ottawa, Japan. Just got a break from teaching this massive company class of Jieitai staff. That's the self-defense force, military, whatever, staff over here in Japan. And that's about 15 students in this class, and that pays around about $200 an hour. So that's pretty good. Anyways, this afternoon's episode is about TOEIC, TESOL, CELTA, TOEFL, IELTS, TEFL. What's the difference? What is this crazy sorcery, you may ask? Never heard of them? TOEIC? Does that mean touch others enchantingly in correspondence? Are you serious, dude, or do that? No way. It just so happens that you had better know exactly what each and every one means and then some. No need to go over them all in here, as their time is short, but I will emphasize their importance. They are highly important for you to know the difference of, and many of your private English students will require learning and study assistance when it comes to most of the above. Please look at my private English teaching vocabulary slang section to get the quick lowdown on these highly used acronyms. You can also research them more in depth on Google or whatever have you. Bye for the day now, fellas. Be sure to check out my cool website, getrichtechingenglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, if you have any further in-depth questions that need finally to an answering, or would like to book a private one-on-one consultation to get the best advice possible on how to find a rewarding ESL teaching job abroad and know the best places on where to move to teach English overseas, and to learn the secret tips and tricks of teaching and how to make tons of money in the process, then please don't hesitate to book an email or Skype consultation with me via my website. I also provide resume, revamp, edit, and reference services as well that will definitely help you out on your journey. Have an awesome day. I'm here for you, and hopefully you can make as much money as me someday doing a job that you love, teaching English abroad via private lessons. Till next time, peace out, keep it real, and stay on track.